Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys like what you see, which I know you will, please make sure you press the subscribe button that's down below, as well as the bell notification, so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. Before I start this video, I just want to tell you guys thank you for getting me to 7K. You guys, we made it to freaking 7K, which is crazy to me because I didn't even think we was gonna reach 5K. And I know like it might not be a lot to you guys, but honestly I didn't even think I was gonna get to 1K, so this is a lot. And also we're on the road to 10K. By the end of this year I should have 10K, so fingers crossed. So make sure you guys share these videos with your mom, sister, cousin, uncles, all of them, so we can get to 10K. But thank you again, you guys. I am gonna have a giveaway soon, so make sure your bell notification is on so you guys are notified when I post or when I upload that video. But for today's video, we are going to be talking about Amazon, the best freaking place out there. But this is gonna be Amazon's favorite video. These things are, some of them I already used already. Well, most of them honestly, they've been used. But these are just a few things that I got from Amazon. Honestly, me and my sister, we literally order everything from Amazon. Like, it could be in the store because like our store is like 2 minutes away. I would rather order from Amazon and just have it delivered to my door. Like, who wouldn't like things you just click it and it literally comes to your door in like 2 days? Like, come on now. But we're like literally obsessed with Amazon. So most of the shit that we get are from Amazon. So yeah, but if you guys do like videos like this, please make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up so I can know to make more videos like this, because we have a lot of crap. But the first thing that I'm gonna be showing you guys is, I'm pretty sure you guys seen this already because I've been seeing it literally everywhere, but it's this continuous spray bottle. When I tell you guys, this is like a game changer. All right, but anyways, it's a continuous spray. When I tell you guys, this saved me so much time and ache from my hand, because I mainly use this for the wigs, because I do make wigs and stuff, and for the curly units that I have to like spray and stuff like that. When I used to have the other spray bottle, y'all, my hand used to be hurting. With this, literally, like, if you guys know, actually let me see if I can spray it for you guys. You see, like, literally it literally does what it says. It's a continuous spray, meaning like you don't have to keep going like this for the spray to go that well. It actually don't hold as much as I thought it was going to, but honestly it lasts. The amount that you have in there lasts for a while. But this, honestly, if you don't have this, you need this in your life, especially if you're like a curly hair type of girl, or if you have natural curly hair. This is a game changer. I am gonna post everything in the description bar down below, like in order from, yeah, I'm gonna post them in order, or not, maybe, but they are gonna be in the description bar, and I'll add the links and stuff like that. And if you guys want to check them out and purchase it for yourself. Now the second thing that I'm showing you guys is these individual flask bottles, bitch, no, these individual flask bags. And of course you guys know that like I sell like wholesale lip gloss things and stuff, so these are very crucial. And it was, when I tell you guys, it was so hard for me to find these because I had to look high and low because I didn't know the name of these, so it was hard for me to find them. But now, like that I know the name, I actually see them everywhere. But I order mine from Amazon because they're convenient, and yeah, basically because it's convenient. You can get it from like Alibaba and stuff like that, but I think it gives you like six for like $8 or $7. But if you guys do know like a cheaper vendor on Amazon that sells more for less, let me know in the comments down below. But I like ordering these from Amazon. And then this, what I'm gonna be showing you guys, this, once it focuses, all right, so you guys, this literally, I love this thing. And it's a Dr. Bonner's soap. And basically this soap, it has all natural ingredients in it, and we always make sure that we get at least 2 of them. I think we get 2 of them for like $32. And you guys, when I tell you, this lasts us forever, because me and my sister use it, and it lasts us for months. Like it lasts us for months, and I literally use it for showering and also to, you know, clean my hoo-ha area. But since this one, we actually like getting the peppermint one because I like the little like cool feeling like that's on my skin when I use this. Since it does have scented thing in it, you're not supposed to put it inside your, you know, private area, but I do use it to clean, you know, like around the perimeters and stuff like that. But there's really, I never had no issues with it. I don't know if someone used it and they, you know, had some situations with it, but me personally, I've used it everywhere and I never had no issues with it, and it never threw off my pH balance. But, and I'm pretty sure it's because this is all natural and it doesn't have any like crazy stuff in there. But also they do have different flavors and stuff like that, but we just like the peppermint because, like I said, we like the little like cool feeling that it has. And literally this can make 2 bottles. So in total we buy 2 for $32, but you have to dilute this. You can't use it like how it is right now. You have to dilute it with water. So like half of this can make 2 bottles, if you get what I'm saying. So that's why it lasts us like months for us to use it. Now this thing is something that my sister like recently just bought, and like we fell in love with it. All right, so literally just bought it like a few weeks ago, and when I tell you guys we're like obsessed with this thing, like when we first got it, well, let me tell you guys what it is, bitch. Can you speak? But it's it's an electric shaver. I didn't even know they made things like this. Like, have you ever like thought of something and you thought like, you know, it's an original idea until you see someone already made it? That's what I thought with this, because I actually had a thought. I'm like, ooh, it would have been nice if, you know, you had an electric razor, and bitch, it's already been invented. But this is how it looks like. When I tell you guys, this thing is a bomb as hell. Like, it's bomb. Like, you can use it dry. Can you come back? Can you all right, so you can use this dry or wet. Me, I personally use it dry, and it doesn't have that same feeling, because, you know, a lot of people say you're not supposed to shave dry, blah blah blah. This one you can, because I used it before. And what I used to do is with the shaver, when I did used to shave, it used to leave me with like little like strawberry legs. It used to leave little strawberry legs on me, but it didn't do that with this for me. And I feel like that's because this one, it doesn't necessarily get like as close to your skin. So keep that in mind if you are going to order this, that it does shave. Like, you can use this everywhere. It does shave you, like it shaves you, but it's like doesn't get everything off. Like, if you look close enough, you'll still see like little bits of hair and stuff like that. So keep that in mind. But I'm pretty sure like the whole purpose of this is like for like on a go, like if you're in a rush and you need to you know, you forgot to shave and stuff, and you can just take this out and like boom 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 and just shave and call it a day, and you won't be all itchy and stuff like that. Like, this does not leave me itchy after I shaved after the bath. So yeah, but I really like this concoction. So we all know that we're all in quarantine and stuff like that. So I know the nail wave already like went and passed, but I'm pretty sure a lot of nail salons are open, but I heard many of them are like closing again. But we got the professional nail system, and this one is basically the dip powder. All right, so we got the dip powder. It comes with so many different colors. We have the dip powder, and we also have the poly gel. Like I said, these were like, they went crazy at one point in time. But when I tell you guys, these are the GOAT. But if I had to choose between the poly gel and the poly gel or the dip powder, I would honestly recommend the dip powder. And that's only because literally the dip powder, all you have to do is put on a little coat and dip your finger in it. And when I tell you guys, it was so freaking fast. When it comes to the poly gel, this one is like a more sticky consistency, and that one you have to like apply it, you have to drill it and stuff like that. But I mean, like, I feel like this is for more natural nails type of girls, and this is for more of if you want like a length, if that makes sense. Like, if you want length, then I would say get the poly gel, but it is gonna take you a little while with the shaving and not the shaving, the filing down and everything. So that is why I wouldn't really like go heads first for the poly gel. Like I said, I would really rather the dip, because it literally took me like 10 minutes 10 to like 15 minutes minus all the drilling that I had to do because it was my first time and I didn't really know what I was doing. But I would really recommend the dip powder. And then now these are books that I'm gonna be mentioning, and these are these 2 books that we got from Amazon a while back ago. As you guys can see, I'm literally reading both of them at the same time, and they're by the same author. The first one is called Outwitting the Devil by Napoleon Hill. And this one, I got this book first, which was Think and Grow Rich. And again, this is by Napoleon Hill, but our cousin came and he started talking about this book, and then he was like hyping it up. He's like, bitch, this is the best book, you need to read this first because this book will get you right. It'll make you understand the universe, it'll make you understand your way of life, it'll make you understand your childhood. Basically, he said everything is in this book, so maybe it would be better if we read this first and then continue reading other books because it'll make it easier for us to understand other books and stuff like that. I just started reading this book, so I can't really tell you like in depth, but just know it has really good reviews on it and stuff, and so far what I've been reading is pretty good. So like I said, this book is really good if you like are into like, you know, financial shit and like manifesting things. This is a really good book. And I'm already halfway through this one and I really like it. It is a little bit all over the place like this, but everything does end up ends up like, you know, coming together and making sense. So I really do like highly recommend these 2 books and stuff if you guys are interested in like, you know, reading books, and you can get them on Amazon. I think you'll see the price in the link down below when I upload it. And then the last thing that I have is this waxer. Like I said, a lot of us are in quarantine, so a lot of things are not open, and we don't want to be out here like grizzly bears, even though I have been. But things are starting to open back up a little bit. But we got this, and literally it as you can see, we use it. I honestly used it like twice, so let me stop playing. I used it twice, but when I tell you guys, this is literally like going to the you know, spa place and getting bitch. But like I said, this is literally like going to the waxing place and getting yourself waxed. Like the feeling is literally the same, and they do come with different types of beads for different areas for you to use. I don't have it right, I don't feel like taking all of them out, but just know like this one that it comes with different beads and stuff like that, and it feels literally like you're at a waxing place. I'm scared as hell, and that junk hurt. I forgot how bad waxing hurt, but this works so good, especially if, you know, you're not trusting anybody to go out and, you know, be around people with the corona and stuff. So I would highly recommend just getting like, you know, a little waxing kit, because this works like perfectly. But anyways, that was the last of the things that I had to show you guys. Like I said, we literally order from Amazon all the time, so we do have other stuff. So if you guys do like these videos, please make sure you give a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below so I can know to make more videos like this. But if you guys used any of these products or read any of these books, like let me know in the comments down below, or let me know your favorites out of what I showed you guys right here. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.